Wilson, 2026
Yes.
Philippine national budget, you talked about it.
Yes.
Trillion, 6 trillion, I think to be
6,
exact.
7 trillion pesos.
My question
Horrible.
to you, my question to you, for the everyday Filipino, kunwari, customer,
Yes,
naman yung
yes,
bakery
yes, yes.
cafe, how do I not become so desensitized that this feels so far off from me?
Tama.
Trillions to Wilson, but how does this matter to me?
The complaint of Cardinal Ambo David is my answer to your question. How come the entire budget of the country mostly passing through pork barrel in order to reach the beneficiaries? For example, the medical PhilHealth funds and the
Meron din kaya-
medical...
Yep.
Yes, instead of giving all the money direct to PhilHealth, direct to the government hospitals, so every PhilHealth beneficiary, you and I, paying every month, whenever we get sick or relatives get sick, we just go to the hospital or PhilHealth,
Claim lang.
demand,
Exactly.
claim and demand our right. But what the politicians are doing, they are segregating all these mega billions of pesos into fancy names that are really pork barrel. So you and I, all of us, have to go to our favorite mayor, to our favorite senator
Para
or
matandaan mo.
congressman, ask for letters of guarantee, letters of request, then they will designate amounts for you and in what hospital. It's like begging. So all the taxpayers in the country, even the non-taxpayers, all the citizens of the Philippines will become beggars. We are encouraging a culture of mendicancy. This is very pernicious, very immoral, and very tragic. Patronage politics. So it will empower all these little datos, all the congressmen, all the senators, or the cabinet ministers. They are powerful. So everyone will go to them and they will
Yeah.
dispense with favors.
Parang
Horrible.
parang utang mo pa sa kanila, no?
Yes.
Right. Right.
And you will beg and you will go to their office in the morning, you go to their house and ask for alms.
In fact,
Manlilimos ka.
yeah.